In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles automatically in HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get clean, readable captions on your video with just a few clicks, so your content is more accessible, more engaging, and easier to follow. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is a quick, reliable way to reach the official site. In the search bar, type HeyGen and press Enter. Look for the official HeyGen result at the top. It should clearly reference the brand and the app experience. Click through to open the website. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, open the project that needs subtitles. Make sure the video you want to caption is already in your timeline or canvas. Before you proceed, a quick tip. Subtitles are only as good as the audio they're based on. Clear speech and minimal background noise will lead to better automatic transcription, so confirm your audio sounds clean when you preview a few seconds. Now, look to the right side of the screen for the Captions panel. It may appear as a tab in the right sidebar. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all editing options. Click Captions to open the tools dedicated to subtitle creation and styling. This is where you'll control the look and behavior of your on-screen text. Next, choose a style. You can pick a preset that matches your brand or keep it simple for maximum readability. Prioritize contrast. Light text on a dark background or dark text on a light background usually works best. Adjust size so the text is big enough to read on a phone, but not so large that it covers important visuals. Keep captions within safe margins near the bottom of the frame so they don't get cut off. As soon as you pick a style, HeyGen will automatically generate subtitles for your video. You'll see lines of text appear in the preview as it analyzes the audio. Play a short section to confirm timing and readability. If you notice small mishears from fast speech or accents, remember that clear enunciation and steady pacing tend to improve results. You can fine-tune wording later within the same captions area if needed. When you're satisfied, click Generate. HeyGen will process your video and apply the captions using the style you selected. Let it finish rendering. That's it. Your video now includes automatically created subtitles, ready to watch and share with a professional, polished look.